Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner, only to still miss those hard-to-reach areas? Well, say hello to the Eureka NEC185 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner, the game-changer you've been waiting for. This portable powerhouse is a favorite among many customers, who rave about its ease of use and effectiveness. With its bendable wand, you can effortlessly clean tight spaces, like under the couch or between chair legs, without straining your back. The flexible wand glides smoothly, allowing you to get into all the nooks and crannies, and the soft glow of the LED headlights illuminates any hidden dirt or debris. The efficient cordless design means you can zip around your home, cleaning carpets, hardwood floors, and rugs with ease, and the fade-free runtime of up to 40 minutes means you can get the job done without interruptions. Plus, the easy rest feature means you can simply park the vacuum in its specially designed nook, saving you time and effort. Whether you're tackling daily messes or deep cleaning your home, the Eureka NEC185 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is up to the task, and its powerful suction leaves your floors feeling smooth and looking spotless. With its well-reviewed performance and versatile features, it's no wonder this vacuum has become a popular choice among homeowners, and it's sure to make your cleaning routine a whole lot easier. So why not give it a try and experience the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.